Everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to use Dictate in Microsoft Word. So first, open Word in your browser or in your computer. Then click on the microphone icon in the voice group. Now you can start speaking and your words will appear on the screen. Speak clearly and at a natural pace. Microsoft Word's Dictate feature is quite good at understanding natural speech, but you might need to correct occasional errors. If you need to insert a punctuation, you can do so by saying the punctuation mark out loud. For example, say comma to insert a comma, say period to insert a period, and question mark for a question mark. To start a new line or a new paragraph, you can say new line or new paragraph. This is useful for structuring your document as you go. If you need to stop dictating for a moment, you can just say stop dictating, stop dictating, or you can click on the microphone icon. This will pause the dictate feature, and when you are ready to resume, just click the microphone icon once more. And to change the language, just click on the gear icon here. And select on the desired language from the drop-down menu. This can be useful if you are working in a language other than your default. And you can also select your microphone input and enable auto punctuation and filter sensitive phrases. Then click on Save. And when you are finished using Dictate, just click on this the X icon here to close dictating. You can now edit your document as usual, making any necessary corrections or formatting changes. And remember, Dictate is a powerful tool that can save you time and effort, especially if you are not a fast typist. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.